This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a leaking kitchen faucet. This is a Price-Pfister, and when you turn on the water, you can see water leaking out at the base here, and that's due to worn out O-rings, and they're really easy to replace. All you got to do is just turn off the water here at the sink. You don't have to really turn it off underneath the sink, just here at the top. And you need to either wrap the cowling in tape, or you can wrap it with a cloth, and then use some pliers to turn to your right, so you're going counterclockwise. It might be kind of hard to get it going, so make sure you grip tight, but make sure you've either taped it or you protect the surface. And you're going to grab the faucet, lift it up, and wiggle, and it'll come right out. And then there's going to be a plastic ring, and on some models there'll be one O-ring, other models have two O-rings, and they may be worn out. This one, they're really worn out. I think one had actually deteriorated. So also you want to clean up this area that it fits into by just smacking it with your fingers a few times and knock the water out, and then get it nice and clean and dry. So I'm going to put a link to the Price-Pfister kit that you can get, but this is just an O-ring kit, and I'm using the 25 by 2.4 O-rings. I'm going to use two of them, and I'm going to put them into position, slide on the first one, get the second one in position, and then we're going to add a little bit of liquid soap, just it acts as a lubricant. Anytime you use an O-ring, it really helps. So go ahead and put that in position. And this one's, the O-ring isn't fitting as tight as I'd like it, so I'm going to help push in the beginning of that first O-ring. I'm going to give it a little boost. My thumb, make sure it fits in. And then I'm going to push in and turn a little bit as I get the faucet in. Guide in the second one, and then I'll put the cowling down, and I'm just going to tighten that up by hand. And then we're going to give it about a quarter turn with the wrench, again using the cloth to protect the cowling. And that's pretty much it. You're done. I think the only difficult thing here is probably loosening it when you want to take it off. It can be on there really tight. So just take your time. I'm giving it about a quarter turn to tighten it. Then we'll give it a test. Just open up the valve here, and we'll see if we have the leak anymore. So that worked. The leak is gone. It'll only take you a few minutes to do this once you have the O-rings. And they'll probably last a couple of years, just depending on how much you're using the sink and how much you're twisting the neck back and forth. That's what kind of wears it out. Here's the old O-ring. It was pretty messed up. It was actually cut in one place. Hopefully this will help you and get your sink from leaking. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button, and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.